If your pool looks like this on the top, then you need to pump it up, because there's a good chance the water could go over the top and just everything, you lose everything. It means you have a hole. So I have a hole, so I'm going to continue to blow it up until I can find where the hole is so I can patch it. The reason I have holes is because birds sit on the edge of my pool, and it was fine in the beginning, but now that the pool's old, it's like 6 years old, it ends up, it's just kind of thin there, so they're just poking these little holes in, just enough to lose all the water, I mean the air out of the tube, which is not good, and it's very annoying because you have to pump it up all the time, and it's hard to find where the holes are. So I got something, and we also used to have birds go to the bathroom all over our patio here, and it would just be everywhere. I mean, since we put this patio in, which is just this year, they would just go to the bathroom everywhere. So this is how you can prevent both of those things. My friend right here, where is he? There he is. Okay, this owl is on, I have him on some fishing wire, some pretty thick fishing wire, and I just have him hanging on the limb of the tree right up there, and it works. Let me tell you, it works. It's good if it's hanging on something, because then it will move a little bit, and if they see it moving, they're kind of afraid. But I think you need to keep it probably within 10 or 15 feet of your pole if you can. I mean, you can put it on a pole and hang it up there or something like that and take it down. See, that's just moving a little bit. Those eyes freak those birds, chipmunks, anything like that. It freaks them out, keeps them away. So we're not going to have any more birds ruining our pools.